Experiencing the unable to log in to your Epic Games account error in Fortnite can be incredibly frustrating for millions of players worldwide. Understanding the root causes and solutions is essential for getting back into the game quickly. As of August 2025, Epic Games has identified four primary causes of login failures. Authentication timeouts account for 40% of all reported cases, making them the most common issue players encounter. Two-factor authentication failures represent 25% of login issues, often caused by timing problems or incorrect code entry. Regional server connectivity issues affect 20% of users, particularly during peak gaming hours. Account verification problems make up the remaining 15%, typically involving email confirmation or account security checks that prevent successful login. Epic Games has significantly upgraded their authentication infrastructure following major outages in late 2023 and early 2024. The company implemented a distributed server architecture across multiple regions to ensure better reliability and performance. Enhanced DDoS protection systems now guard against malicious attacks, while improved load balancing distributes user traffic more efficiently during peak gaming hours. Real-time server status monitoring provides immediate visibility into system health. This load balancing system automatically distributes incoming login requests across multiple servers, preventing any single server from becoming overwhelmed and ensuring consistent performance for all users. The first step in troubleshooting any login issue is to check the Epic Games server status page. Visit status.epicgames.com to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance activities affecting the authentication servers. If servers are operational, restart your internet router and modem. This simple step resolves many connectivity issues by refreshing your network connection and clearing any temporary routing problems that might prevent authentication. Disable any VPN or proxy services that might interfere with Epic's authentication servers. Check your firewall settings to ensure that the necessary ports are open, particularly ports 80, 443, and 5222, which are essential for Epic Games communication. Account-specific solutions focus on clearing stored data that might conflict with authentication. Clear your browser cache and cookies, particularly if you're logging in through a web browser. This removes outdated authentication tokens that might cause login failures. Two-factor authentication failures often occur due to timing issues. Ensure your device's clock is synchronized correctly, as authentication codes are time-sensitive. If codes aren't working, wait for a fresh code and double-check your Authenticator app settings. Finally, ensure your Epic Games launcher is updated to the latest version, as newer versions often include authentication improvements. Try disabling browser extensions or using incognito mode to eliminate potential conflicts. If these basic steps don't resolve the issue, more advanced solutions may be necessary. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced technical solutions can resolve persistent Fortnite login issues. These methods involve configuring network settings and implementing prevention strategies. Advanced network configuration starts with port forwarding. Epic Games requires specific TCP ports to be open for optimal connectivity. Configure your router to forward these essential TCP ports: port 80 for HTTP traffic, port 443 for HTTPS connections, port 5222 for authentication services, and the range 5795 to 5847 for game data transmission. DNS server configuration is equally important. Google's DNS service at 8.8.8.8 provides reliable name resolution and improved connectivity for gaming services. Alternatively, Cloudflare's DNS at 1.11.1 offers enhanced privacy and speed optimization, making it another excellent choice for gaming connectivity. System-level network troubleshooting varies by operating system. Windows users can utilize the built-in network troubleshooter to automatically detect and resolve connectivity issues. Mac users should reset network settings when experiencing persistent connectivity problems. This process clears corrupted network configurations and restores default settings. Prevention strategies are crucial for maintaining consistent login access. Two-factor authentication provides an additional security layer while reducing authentication-related login failures. Regular maintenance tasks prevent login issues from developing. Keep credentials updated, clear application cache weekly, and monitor account security settings for unauthorized changes. Epic Games is implementing advanced infrastructure improvements to minimize login issues. AI-powered diagnostics will automatically detect and resolve authentication problems before they affect users. Enhanced security measures and infrastructure upgrades target a 99.9% uptime goal by 2026. These improvements include distributed server architecture, advanced fraud detection, and quantum-resistant encryption for future proofing. By implementing these advanced solutions and prevention strategies, you can significantly reduce Fortnite login errors and maintain consistent access to the game. These technical approaches, combined with Epic's ongoing infrastructure improvements, provide a comprehensive solution to authentication challenges.